Proud of African road, Innoson Vehicles. If I meet you, I'll falling. Innoson Vehicles. Where you want go? As long as na motor, should be you go pass road. You can trust in a VM Motors. Shy, if you want go, with your family convo.
Innoson Vehicles, 11 years of steady improvement and growth. Before Innoson Vehicle was commissioned in 2010, over 30,000 brand new cars sold in Nigeria were all imported. At the time, there was no functional vehicle manufacturing or assembly plant in Nigeria producing these cars. Yet, out of guts, faith and hope, Innocent Chukwuma decided to venture into vehicle manufacturing, becoming the first to produce a made-in-Nigeria vehicle that will be named Innoson. This is not the first time Innoson has decided to blaze the trail by producing a made-in-Nigeria automotive product. In 2000, Innoson decided to start the manufacturing and assembly of Innoson brand of motorcycles and made huge success out of it. More so, Innoson ventured into the manufacturing of plastic automotive products by establishing a plastic manufacturing plant. Innoson Technology and Industries Company Limited, Enugu, reputed to be largest plastic manufacturing company in West Africa with over 150 lines of products, which includes plastic automotive products, high-quality household and industrial plastics, health and safety accessories, storage containers, fixtures and fittings, electrical components and accessories. Within 2 years of establishing Innoson Vehicles, the then governor of Anambra State, Mr. P. ordered for 1,000 units of Innoson Vehicles, which includes pickups, buses and SUVs. The show of faith by Mr. P. was the trigger Innoson needed to show the durability and capacity of the made-in-Nigeria vehicle. Today, the vehicles bought under the administration of Mr. P. are still being used today by some traditional rulers, schools as well as security agencies, proving the durability strength of Innoson Vehicles. Truth is that for 11 years IVM has been in existence, there has never been a better last year. Innoson Vehicles has been improving steadily on the quality of its vehicles by ensuring it gets feedbacks from the users of Innoson Vehicles to know their views on their IVM experience, and with these feedbacks it seeks better ways to improve on the taste and preferences of our customers to suit the environment. Feedbacks from the users of Innoson Vehicles attest to the durability and high standards of the vehicles. Ford Innoson Vehicle is now migrating from manual production to a fully automated production plant. The manual production plant has the capacity to produce about 10,000 vehicles annually, but at the complete migration to a fully automated production plant, the plant will have the capacity to produce about 60,000 units annually. Innoson Vehicle is on a mission to become a giant in vehicle manufacturing company in Africa in order to serve African vehicle needs by its current expansion efforts in 1. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Naze, Owerri, Imo State. Innoson Vehicle is currently setting up an automated manufacturing plant for production of big buses and city buses at the Innoson factory expansion at Naze, Owerri in Imo State. It has already acquired about 150,000 square meter land for this project and construction works are ongoing. 2. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Umwezena, Umudim, Nnewi, Anambra State. Innoson Vehicle is currently building a vehicle manufacturing plant for the manufacture of heavy-duty vehicles at Umwezena, Umudim, Nnewi. 3. Lion IVM Tractor Manufacturing Plant, UNN. Currently, Innoson, in partnership with University of Nigeria in Nsukka, is constructing a 20 HP agricultural tractor manufacturing plant at the Lion Science Park, UNN. The tractor will be known as Lion IVM. 4. Expansion into African markets. Currently, Innoson Vehicles producing vehicles for the Sierra Leone government, and the company has concluded plans with the Sierra Leone government to establish an assembly plant in Freetown. It has equally signed an MOU with Burkina Faso, Niger, Congo, Mali, and Cote d'Ivoire for the establishment of an assembly plant for Innoson Vehicles. Working relationship with military. Innoson Vehicle is in partnership with the Nigerian Air Force for the development and promotion of joint activities to sustain the maintenance of the Nigerian Air Force air assets and other associated aerospace ground equipment to enable the Nigerian Air Force to continuously carry out its constitutional obligations to the nation. Equally, we are in collaboration with the Nigerian Army Authority for the manufacture and supply of vehicles. For 11 years, Innoson Vehicle has proven its unique ability to supply durable yet very affordable brand new vehicles, and its successful record in delivering within short notice makes it a brand of choice. The success stories of Innoson Vehicles in this past 11 years has shown that Innoson Vehicles is not about the story of vehicle manufacturing plant, it is the story of Nigeria. It is the image of Nigeria. Innoson Vehicle is a reminder of the fact that whatever is wrong with Nigeria can be corrected by what is right in Nigeria.
Growing.
Stuff that is very efficient.
Brought a car to us, which is a product of Innoson company. I felt bad because out of all the cars that we are having, we have Toyota Opel, Sephora, and many other cars. Didn't have any car related to this company. But when he bought this car, I told him that, okay, please, why you go for this car? He said, no, these are only domestic cars. I will need to appreciate the company. Okay, I said, no problem, let's just give them a trial. I started using the car. I observed many things about this car. In terms of space, the car is there for us. It's there for us. In terms of handling, it doesn't give issues. Even when I changed the driver that was handling the car, someone told me this car can only be managed by an expert. I said no. So far, for it to be a local Nigerian made car, it doesn't mean that it's not be easy for all. The man that's driving the car now, he came to me that he's enjoying the car in terms of maintenance, servicing, and everything. The car is okay. And since then, don't have any issue. Electrical wise and mechanical wise, don't have any issue at all. And it's helping us. We see that there's value for money. When you bought it then, the car is too cost, but I see that reasonably compared to other cars we are having, I see that there's no need bring any car to Nigeria when you're having this company in Nigeria. I think whatever we need, they are there for us to produce for us, and it will suit our purpose.
My name is Pastor Mrs. Chetachuku Israel Ajadi. I'm the head of school of Falkland International Academy here in Kaura, Abuja. Actually, we came in contact with Innoson Vehicles.
Well, the motivation is that number one, we want to make sure that in Africa, everywhere in Africa, you will